Health benefits of garlic you do not know about, surprising facts. Garlic is found in every kitchen. It is used in cooking almost every food. But, the use of garlic is not only limited in cooking dishes. Instead, there are also many amazing health benefits of garlic, and many of you do not know about this. A surprising fact is that the use of garlic is extremely beneficial for the prevention of various health issues. In the video below, I am going to share with you top health benefits of garlic many of you do not know about. After reading about its benefits, you will simply love it. Amazing health benefits of garlic that will surprise you. To enjoy health benefits of garlic, here is the recipe to make a remedy. The ingredients you need for this are: ingredients: garlic cloves, 5. Curry leaves, 5 to 7. Water, 1 liter. Procedure: take 1 bottle of 1 liter of water, and in it, add 5 cloves of garlic with the peels. Also, add curry leaves, and keep the bottle closed at room temperature. Now, the remedy to enjoy health benefits of garlic is ready for use. How to use: use this water regularly. This water energizes you. It reduces the effects of negative powers and keeps the diseases away from you. Benefits you will get: garlic is effective for the prevention of heart diseases, cancer and infections. The patients with high blood pressure must use it as it aids in lowering the high blood pressure. For the cure of hair loss and alopecia, you can also use garlic and it gives wonderful results. For diabetic patients, garlic is useful as it helps in regulating the levels of blood sugar. This is all about the health benefits of garlic. So, if you want to live an active lifestyle, follow this remedy. Use garlic and it will keep you protected from various health issues.